Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am super excited because I am teaming up with some of my beautiful YouTube sisters, 12 of them to be exact, and we are collabing together with the Beautiful-fall Tablescape collaboration. Now the beautiful sisters that I am collaborating with, TMB Designs, Always GS Design, Angelic Interior Design, Breeze Project Book, Decorating with Barbara, The Glamorous Penny Pincher, Homebody with For Lisa, Wani's House, Kenya's Decor Corner, Styled by Shakira, Val's Glamorous Castle, and Decor. So without any further ado, let me share with you my tablescape, my fall tablescape for 2019. I'm calling this tablescape When Old School Meets New. Now starting at the head of the table, each end has these beautiful upholstered off-white chairs. And I have these beautiful blush pillows sitting in each of them. And these pillows I picked up from Walmart. Yes, you heard me right, Walmart. Walmart has stepped up their game when it comes to home decor. Now that bling did not come on the pillow. And if you've been watching me, you know your girl loves some bling. I just took a brooch from Totally Dazzled and added it in the center of this pillow. And it makes this pop even more. Now you will see more items from Totally Dazzled on my table. And if you are interested in taking a look, I am affiliated with Totally Dazzled. And I will have a link in my description box down below. Now moving to the settings. So when I say old school meets new, I'm talking about the china being old school. You don't see china being used anymore. But I decided to go to my local thrift store and pick up a china set. And I scored with a set of 8. And decided to use it on my fall tablescape. And this is white china trimmed in silver. I used my charger, my bling charger. Now the bling placemat, and you will see 2 placemats here, but the bling placemat or beaded placemat is something I picked up over the Christmas holidays from Target. And the blush mat I picked up from Ross. The white pumpkin, I've had that for about a year or so, and those came from Michael's. It's a small soup tureen. These beautiful glasses I picked up from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. And guys, I have my little teacup and saucer at each setting. Old school meets new. And I think the setting is beautiful. And at each place setting, I have these place card holders from Totally Dazzled. This is something new that they have, and I must say these are gorgeous. And I will place the name of each guest in each of them. And to finish it off, I have these beautiful blush napkins that I ordered from Amazon. And I have this fall blingy napkin ring from Totally Dazzled. Now each place setting is the same. I am loving the blush pink with touches of silver and gold and white. Loving it. So let me share with you the center of my table. Now, if you've been following me, you know my love for the fall season and pumpkins. I love pumpkins of all different sizes and shapes. So I'm going to show you some of these on my table. I actually had this gourd, this gray gourd, on my tablescape last year. I blinged it out using my Totally Dazzled bling, and I decided to do a few more this year. When you can't find the pumpkin colors that you want, and now the traditional colors, people are getting away from the traditional colors. I do love traditional, don't get me wrong, and do decorate traditionally in my home, but I'm trying to be a little different and decorate out of the box by using the blush pink and the gray and the gold. So I DIY my pumpkins just like this one here. Isn't she gorgeous in the blush pink and the Totally Dazzled bling, and a knob that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, blinged out. Create your own when you can't find what you want. And again, the center of this tablescape is filled with pumpkins. Now these babies here, those were splurge from Pier 1. I had to have them. They are absolutely gorgeous. But you know what, guys? I probably could have made these. I know I could have. And maybe on my to-do list next year. But I love pumpkins of all shapes and sizes. Now the candle holders you see, I picked them up thrifting for $1 a piece. Those beautiful tall candle holders. I love them. And the candles itself, those came from Hobby Lobby. And they have gold and touches of blush on them as well. Beautiful candles. And lastly, I have my soup tureen on the end to serve that special fall soup in those small tureens. And I have this beautiful salt and pepper shaker from Pier 1 to season our food with. Now for more inspiration for your fall tablescapes, please go over and check out all of my beautiful YouTube sisters. I will have a playlist linked in my description box down below for your enjoyment. I'm sure you will love each and every one of them. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I will hope you decide to stay by pushing that subscribe button and subscribing to the channel. And when you subscribe to the channel, don't forget to click the notification bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. To all of my faithful and returning Diva family members, thank you so much for always supporting the channel. You already know how I feel about you all. I love you so much, and I appreciate all that you do. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.